Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making a Dutch baby. It is so delicious and light and fluffy, and I'm going to show you how to make it perfect every time. Let's jump into the recipe. You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. Into a mixer, blender, food processor, or a bowl, add 3 eggs. To this, add 158 milliliters or 2/3 a cup of whole milk, a teaspoon or 4 grams of vanilla, 83 grams or 2/3 cups of flour, and a pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. I love to do this in my little blender because it gives the perfect consistency to the pancake batter. But if you haven't got one, you can certainly do this by hand with a whisk. Just make sure it's really well blended. Look how silky smooth that is. You're going to let your batter sit at room temperature for at least an hour. This will make sure your pancake is extra fluffy. I'm using an 8-inch cast iron skillet with quite high sides. You don't have to have sides this high, about half of this will do. Or you can use any oven-safe pan that goes up to 230 centigrade or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. But a cast iron skillet really holds the heat and causes that Dutch baby to puff up. When there's about 20 minutes left on your batter resting, get your oven preheated to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Get your pan in the oven to preheat. Now that your oven and your pan are preheated, add in 60 grams or 4 tablespoons of butter, then back in the oven to let that melt. Once your butter is beautiful and bubbly, pour in your batter, then quickly shut that oven to trap in the heat. You're going to want to let this bake for about 25 minutes, and you can't open the oven while it's baking. If you open it, your baby will collapse. Once you've pulled your Dutch baby from the oven, top it with all of your favorite toppings. I'm using lemon curd and berries and powdered sugar, but you could use Nutella or cream, or just powdered sugar by itself is amazing. This is best enjoyed hot, so don't delay. Dig in straight away. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're looking for a more savory type breakfast, check out my Eggs Benedict recipe. If you love this Dutch baby, give the video a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you like to top your pancakes with. And I'll see you in the next video.